Hey guys, it's Alex. In today's video I'm going to be doing a fall makeup. This is what the makeup looks like. Also, this is my first video for fall for this year. Also, I'm wearing a fall's eyelashes. I don't know if you can tell, but these ones are from literally the dollar store. But yeah, if you guys want to see me how I do this makeup, keep on watching. Also, before we hop in, make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And let's hop right into the makeup. So let's get started with the makeup. So first I'm going to take my e.l.f. Daily Hydrating Moisturizer and I'm just going to apply this all over my face with my fingers. I'm just going to moisturize first. So for primer for today, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer because I want my skin to be nice and glowy, and this is like a glowy primer. Just going to apply this all over my face. Also, this one has like little glitters in it. So now moving on to foundation and concealer, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation and also the concealer. I finally got a concealer that actually matches my skin tone because the other one that I have is really pale on me. So I'm just going to take the foundation and pump that on the back of my hand. I'm going to do about 2 pumps. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and apply this all over my face. Also make sure I blend it down my neck. And now I'm just going to blend out the foundation. I'm just using my beauty blender to blend it all out. So now I'm just going to apply my concealer. Like I said, this is literally the same thing as a foundation, just as concealer. This one is a little bit more of a yellow tone, so hopefully this one matches me because the other one that I have, the other one was really pale on me. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend it all out. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm going to use my Air Sponge powder and I'm just going to set my foundation and concealer. So now we're going to move on to eyeshadow. These are the 2 eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to be using today. So this one is the Rimmel London Spice Edition. This is what the shadows look like. I absolutely love this eyeshadow. Also, this eyeshadow is from the drugstore. This is literally $5, but this is what it looks like. So the other eyeshadow palette is the Professional Amber Eye palette. This is what the shade looks like. These two kind of look a little bit similar. This one is from, I think, Marshalls, and this one is from Target, but they look pretty similar. So first I'm going to take the Rimmel London palette. I'm going to take the shade right here to set my eyelids. Just apply this shade all over my lid. So now for my crease, I'm going to take this shade right here on the same brush and just apply this to my crease. So now for my lid, I'm going to take this shade right here on the same brush and just apply this all over my lid. I absolutely love these shades. During the fall time, it's like a burnt orange shade. I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. Also, this color with like hazel eyes or like green eyes look really good. I'm just kind of packing it on with the brush and then slowly blend it out with the crease shade that we already have on our lid. And also taking it to the inner corner. To get the crease a little bit more in depth, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is like a dark purple color. I'm just going to apply that to the outer crease. I'm just applying that with an angle brush and just kind of pack it onto the outer crease. Give the crease a little bit more in depth. So now I'm going to go to the Amber Eyes palette. I'm just going to take this dark brown right here and apply that with the angle brush and just add it to literally where I just put the purple to put a little bit more dimension because I want the outer V to be a little bit more darker. So I'm just applying this over the purple. So now I'm going to go back to the Rimmel palette. I'm just going to take the shade right here, which is like a burgundy but with shimmer. I'm just going to apply that with my fingers and apply that to my lid. Not look my whole lid, just look kind of like the inner crease of my lid. Just not the inner corner, just kind of like the inner crease. And just apply that with my finger. Now for mascara, I'm going to use my little fiber mascara. I'm just going to apply this to my lashes. I'm not going to apply too much because we're going to be doing false eyelashes. Also to my bottom. So now moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to use this IT powder and just fill in my eyebrows. So now to set my eyebrows, I'm just going to use this e.l.f. Clear Gel. I'm just going to set my eyebrows. Also, it's do so you can use this for your lashes and your brows. I'm just going to use it for my brows. So make sure none of the eyebrow hair goes up. Just make sure they stay in place all day. So now for contour, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild contour palette. I'm just going to take this shade right here and use it as my contour. I'm just going to contour with it. So now for highlight, I'm going to take this e.l.f. little highlighting palette. I'm going to take this shade right here and use it as my highlight. Just going to apply that to my nose and my temples, above my eyebrow, and look above my lip and my chin. So now I move on to the false eyelashes. These are the false eyelashes that I'm going to do. These are literally from the Dollar Tree, but this is what these look like. I'm just going to use the eyelash glue that comes with it. And I'm just using my little tweezers that I got from the dollar store that you guys saw. I'm just putting this as close as the lash band that I can. So that it is one lash done. So now I'm going to do the other one. But look, this is false eyelashes and this is just my normal lashes. Look, that makes such a big difference. Also, I've done a video with these lashes, not these lashes, but I've done a video with me applying false eyelashes for the first time. I've gotten better over the past couple of months of me trying to do false eyelashes. I've done a whole video with me applying false lashes for the first time. I'll link that video down below if you guys want to go and see. I'm just gonna apply this lash same way that I did the other one. Alright, that is both eyelashes done. So now moving on to lipstick. So first I'm just going to line my lips with this Wet n Wild lip pencil. I'm not going to overline my lips, I'm just going to fill them in normal, just following my natural lip line. So now for lipstick, I'm going to use this e.l.f. little lipstick. This is in shade Cocoa. This is what the shade looks like. Now I'm just going to apply that to my lips. The lip line will help with me applying lipstick because I'm really the best with applying lipstick. That is pretty much the final makeup look. So I hope you guys liked this video, but this is another overview of the makeup. And yeah, also leave a comment down below what other fall videos you guys want me to do. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.